Hey, sorry, chat. Was fucking doing my chores. Was doing my fucking chores. So sorry for being late. I will do a better job at managing my time. I did stream earlier today. So some of you guys were there for that. So thanks. Thanks, chat. Who else is out here though? P Shenanigan, TJP, iTrade, Trading Stock. Benny. Benny. Where the fuck is the Discord? Hey, P, thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Yeah, so and then we just cucked around for like a fucking hour. So I gotta log into accounts. I had a fucking order. Don't tell me that my order would have gotten filled. Let's see. Order. I'll show you my screen in a little bit. History. Canceled. Buy. 903. You motherfucker! It would have gotten filled. It's up 33 fucking points. Fuck, why do I do that? Why? Why? Day fucking 7 would have been locked in my Bullinox, bruh. Fuck. I gotta show. Hold on. I gotta log in and then I'll turn my fucking screen on. I'm sorry, chat. I'm sorry. I'm all fucking combobulated. I'm getting my shit together right now. We'll do it live. I literally canceled that order like 5 minutes ago. 10 minutes ago. Gotta be fucking kidding me. Why do I do that? Fuck. Fuck. All right. All right, we're going to turn our screen sharing on now, chat. Okay, chat? Thanks, chat. I understand. Let's proceed. As we proceed, let's not make. I think the last time I streamed, I literally was like this the whole fucking time, earlier today. And I realized it at the very end, like a fucking idiot. Like a fucking doofus. All right. Look at this shit pump. Look at the order. Canceled. Can you see it? This one right here. I canceled it. No, that's not it. Where is it? The buy order. Right here. 2903.25. I had my fucking fib previously drawn like this. And 903, wait, was it here? No, it was here. The 786 was at fucking like was at the 707 was at 903-ish. So I had the order in and I canceled it because I'm a bitch, because I thought we were going to drop lower. So I expanded to another more, what I thought was a more appropriate low. And I got fucking burned. And then we just bounced. I would have gotten filled, went up fucking 50 something points. iTrade, TJP, P Shenanigan, Trading Stock, Benny, V33, Jono, Carlos, Christopher Boucher. Mama said, stop canceling fucking orders. Terp Derp, what up, Jay? Kenny, Marcine, Jack Boom, Just Ain't Right, Mwah, Dips and Peaks, Trading World, Gian Rich, Digital Nukes, Isaac, Josh, Vinny Lee, Sean. Mark is like Diddy today, I know. I'm so mad I could just fucking scream. I can't believe I did that. I canceled 3 orders today in different accounts that were fucking bangers. Bangers! Absolute fucking bangers. We literally rejected right before 30,000 too. Now I'm worried, like, okay, I'm going to draw a fucking fib here. I'm going to draw a fucking fib right here. We're going to draw a fucking fib. Look at that 618 rejection right there. We're going to see what the fuck is going to happen here. But I feel like I feel like it's just going to go right through it. But hey, fuck it. What the fuck is that? Thank you. Look at this fucking move. I canceled the order. Anyway, today is or would have been day 5 on my funded Lucid. I literally haven't been paid. If I make it to July 16th without getting a payout from Lucid, that's 4 fucking months. The last payout I got from Lucid was March 16th, 2026, chat. So today was day 5, and you know what I did that was smart? I didn't trade last night. I didn't try to get the job done last night during Asia. I learned the hard way enough times. For whatever reason, in recent times, I haven't been able to get the job done on day fucking 5 trading Asia. So I didn't fucking trade Asia. What a novel idea, right, guys? But I did fucking get the job fucking done, son. We got the job done for the fucking stream right here. We did it for the stream earlier today during New York. So 29.6650. 29.6650 divided by 2. 1483.25, which means I'll have $1,483.25 of drawdown to work with, I think, or 1383 times 0.9. This is what I'm gonna get fucking paid. $1,334. Sign me up. I don't care. I'll take it. And then these two I did for the stream also. These are on now day 3. Day 3 in the fucking books, chat. And guess what else? I'm fucking locked out. I can't fuck myself out of a payout no matter what. So we broke the fucking curse. We got off the fucking wagon, or we fucking, broke the snide. They call that a slump buster. You know what I'm saying, chat? Now, let's see, of course, what nice little 618 rejection there, chat. But naturally, I fucking canceled an order that would have gotten filled. And, the usual. The huge. So anyway, chat. Blackout, what up? How much is the data on TradingView for futures? It's like $7.99 a month. 4th day in a row of daily take profit trader over 2K in payouts from one of that's fucking amazing, right? That's your first ever take profit trader account you getting the payouts from? Damn, bro. That's crazy, right? Isn't it weird how we could get payouts from some prop firms, like no matter, without even fucking trying? We all know it's hard, right? But then other firms, for whatever reason, not much difference. It just, there's something about them. Just my style. What up? Great job, though, popping that take profit trader cherry and then continuing to fucking squeeze the juice out. You know what I'm saying? I love it, Isaac. Scott, what up? The pepperoni pizza pretzel, no doubt. Comes with a marinara dip. Yo, I'll tell you, bro. Even the Costco pizza out here in Vegas ain't terrible. I tried it once. They give you fucking onions. I love onions on fucking pizza. They give you fucking onions, chat. We bouncing off of this? I would have loved fucking 17 points. I'm going for day 7 on these fucking funded Bullinoxes. There he is. There he is. I'm over here now. Johnny. Uh-oh. Oh. Whoa. Why couldn't it come up a little higher for me? Why? Why? All right. Time to pay attention here, chat. Right there. Right there. Can you feel me? What up, Crank? David Schneider. They got 89% off right now, but it expires today. Code J89 will get you 89% off option 1. Option 2, which is end of day, if you put in code J75, you'll get 75% off. Faisal, nice fucking job. Sly Fox. No stops here. No fucking stops. Golf Guy Mike, what up? I taught them a lesson in humidity. I taught them a fucking lesson. You know, I still like this down here. I don't know. I don't know why. Horace, what up? That deal, Crank. It says in the account that it ends on today. J89. I didn't even ask them to change it to 0 day J because I don't know what they're gonna do tomorrow. Tomorrow, whatever they're doing, it'll be 0 day J. But for today, 89% off option 1 Bull and Ox with code J89, all caps. And for 75% option 2, 75% off option 2, J75, chat. Thanks, chat. Ron here. Jason. Yeah. But yo, I'll tell you one thing. I don't think you're gonna have any issue getting your payout. Good job. The fact that you could take being able to get a Bull and Ox payout is huge because you have to trade for 10 days. Just ain't right. Bald Eagle. Yeah, they're good. They pay. They fucking pay. Tony. It is a long time. And then, depending on when you request, you got to wait even longer. So, today is going to be day 7. If I get the job done today, right? Let's say I lock in day 7 today. Tomorrow's day 8. And then I get day 9 and 10. It's a trap. Damn, bro. Good shit. Live to trade another day. Great fucking job, man. And thank you, bro. Thanks again. Appreciate it. Great job. Great fucking job. Great fucking job. And thanks again. Great fucking job. 16K. Apex doesn't pay their traders. Where can you cancel a failed subscription? What do you mean? Oh, Apex? There are no subscriptions. Unless you're talking about a legacy. You got to do it in the members area. Who's that, Donzo? Yeah, in the members area. You go to active. There's an active subscription tab on the left side. There's a menu option. I can't wait to get my live account, guys. Just sitting here waiting. I need to turn this fucking fan on. It's fucking hot. I need some fucking air circulating up in this biatch. Apex doesn't pay their traders. Nayo. Oh shit, here we go. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? I'm moving this down. You see how close that was to filling me? You gotta be fucking kidding me. That would have filled me. That would have fucking filled me. Nasty drop. I'm a little worried about this, actually. All right. The fuck? Uh-oh. Push! Can I get through this shit? Let's go! Get over this. Get through this. Oh, you fuck. It needs to get over through this shit. Come on! Oh, you fucking piece of shit. Any other time, no problem. Any other time, no problem. That was $280. Oh, fuck me. Am I even in the fucking trade on the follower account? All right, I am. Telling me I'm not connected to fucking Rhythmic because I've been sitting here in this waiting for something to happen for fucking ever. Awesome. There's the retest. Am I gonna get fucked here for real? There's the fucking retest. I had 280 here. I was worried about this fucking spot right here. And here I am getting fucked. Yep. I had 280. Awesome job. Let's see if it fucking pushes now. This is done being a little fucking cuck. We done being a fucking cuck here now? We done being a fucking cuck? Dimitri, what up? Jason, it depends. I have a take profit here to get me 460. I'm 6 days in. I'm at, I was started the day just over the buffer, like 2,600, 2,700, depending on the account. So I'm averaging like 450 a day, I guess. I don't know. You're moving live with Trade Iffy? Nice job. Congratulations. Or should I say I'm sorry? I don't know. I had 280 here. I had 280 here. Stop being a fucking cuck. Let's go. I'm a little nervous here. I almost want to just lock it in. But I know what's going to happen. As soon as I lock it in, it's going to fucking pump and hit my take profit. So I'm trying to be patient here. Get the fuck up there! Essie, what up? Let's go! Clear that shit. Come on, push. 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 It had to be a little fucking cuck. Why does the NQ do this? We just got to remember that the NQ does shit like this. It fucking thinks it makes you think you're going to get it here. Then it fucking drops lower, and then it gives it to you. You got to remember that, guys. But, have your stops in place and all that shit, risk management, yada, yada, yada. All right, time to fucking lock this shit in. I'm locking in at least 200. I'm over the buffer. Hit my fucking take profit, you piece of shit. Let's go get the fuck up there. Hit it. It's right there. Hit it. Hit it. Hey, we fucking did it, Joe. Maximus, what up? We fucking did it, Joe. Susan, what's up? Hey, no one in the chat, no one lurking can tell me I suck. No one lurking can tell me that they faded me. Whoever fucking faded me, come clean right now. Come clean, let's hear it. Woo! Row. Woo! Hey! Look at me. I do the top ticking. Where was my fucking order? Where was my fucking order? Where was my sell order? 38.25. It went up 5 more points. Yo, cut. The biggest, the largest. Another one. Day 7, chat. Let's see what I got in the follower account. Oh, I actually got the exact amount in the follower account for once. The follower's up a little higher, guys. The follower is at 53,240. The lead is at 3173. The follower is like $67 to make them holla higher. Let me make sure I don't have any fucking orders open here. Flatten, cancel, flatten, cancel, flatten, cancel, flatten, cancel, flatten. You can't, I don't think there's like a lockout button on this shit. You know what I mean? Pretty sure that Trading Things does not have a lockout button. What's that? Oh, it's just night and day. Feedback. Help! Settings. Oh, wait. Is this the lockout button? What's this? Oh, shit! Oh, look at that. Yo, Trading Things is the shit, and it's fucking free for now with Rhythmic. You don't need to fucking buy Quant Tower if you don't want to fuck with NinjaTrader. If you're on a Mac like me and you don't want to download VMware or fucking Parallels or any of that shit just so you could trade with fucking Quant Tower or fucking NinjaTrader or whatever because it requires you to be on a fucking PC in a PC environment, Trading Things is free. TradingThings.io. It's free for now. Manual lockout. 2 hours. Confirmed trading lockout. Can't fuck these up, bro. Can't fuck. Let's see if I can place a trade right now. Let's place an order. Nope. Can't place an order. Trading locked. Ha! Love to see it. It's fucking free. My dog was clawing at the door to get in. She was trying to open it herself because she does that. You like that, guys? You fucking like that? Thanks, Sean. Preneur X. What did Tradeday say? Oh, I didn't tell you guys yet. I'm not telling you what Tradeday said unless and until, let's see, where are we at? I'm not telling you what Tradeday emailed me unless and until we get to 51 likes. 51 likes on the stream, and you retweet it to 3 of your friends, and then you post it in 5 Discords. Then I'll tell you. Post my link to the stream in 100 Discords, retweet it 5 times to 10 of your friends, and give me 51 likes. All right? Then I'll tell you. Or let's just get this stream to 51 likes. All right? JP. Alfred. Trader Marsh. Let me tell you something. Let's just say. Can you do that, Josh? 3 months? Hold on a second. I guess you could do custom times. Lock me out until September 2030. Custom date. You'd have to do a custom date or some shit. That's funny. Oh, hey, look at where we rejected, guys. Let's look at this, guys. Nice little 707. Casual little 707. Yo, just ain't right. I'm going to start doing that. Don't worry. Because it seems to work for people to grow their audience. Hey, Rick. Look, yeah, I'm locking myself out, bro. I do that. Look, I locked myself out here too. Locked in a fucking payout. I locked in a payout with this Lucid account right here. That's day 5. I locked in day 3 on these. And then I said, no more for me. I do lock myself out. It's just that one time I didn't for whatever reason because I was fucking, I don't know why. And then I fucking was tilting and I blew the shit up. Tim Morgan, what up? Where you been? Hanging out with other streamers, Rick? Oh, man, that's like my favorite thing to say to people. Like I'm like the fucking, you know, I'm the fucking streamer fire marshal. Anyway, anywho, we get to 51 likes. Can I show you guys what they said? We're not at 51 likes, guys. I guess you're never gonna know what Tradeday said to me. It was weird. The VWAP. GMS, what up? Colby. Eric J. Yo. All right, so moving right along. So we're fucking green here. We're fucking green here and locked out. We're fucking green here, here, and here. Payout locked. 3 days locked here on these two. We're fucking green there and there. We're green everywhere I traded so far. Now, let's see what the fuck I can do with these take profit traders. Let's activate the GOY group. GOY, as in GOY. Because that's what it is. Let's get our fucking, let's see what the fuck is going to happen here. We got a higher low here, basically a 786 bounce. I don't know. This was a 618 rejection. Dr. D. Did Tradeday ask how to lower their cost? That shit's cheap as fuck right now. 60 accounts for $60. How the fuck do we just drop from 123 to 97? Is that true? Is that real? What's up with that? Oh, no. We had 51 likes. I'm not fucking saying shit. Until. Oh, we're getting close. Getting close, chat. Getting close. Oh, man. All right. Oh, and by the way, I said it yesterday to us. If I'm able to lock a fucking payout, we're gonna give away an account, a Lucid account. Also, it's a trap. Hitting that fucking super chat, we're gonna give away another account because it's a trap is giving back to the community. The community. Spreading the love and spreading the wealth. It's a trap has an abundance mentality. We love to see it. We love to see it. And it's a trap hit it. When was that? A week ago, a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago? So I owe you guys a fucking free account courtesy of It's a Trap. And we got Gilbert hitting the super chat too. So since the last time I did a giveaway with supers. So we're gonna fucking take care of that today. That account will be whatever you guys want, within, based on my parameters. I got a Lucid Flex I'm gonna give away, and then we'll give away something else. I'll let It's a Trap. It's a Trap. What do you want to do? You want me to give away an Apex account? Tory Trade stop loss. PJ, what up? Tory Trade's tan lines is here. Everybody. Tory's entire family's here. Vincenzo. Bullhead Mike. What the fuck is RSK? Bullhead, I just withdrew from Rise. No issues. AS, what up? Jessica, hello. 360. Coach Eddie. The legacy accounts take, I don't even know. I don't even know how long the Apex legacy accounts are taking now. Great job on the payout, though. I know the new accounts are instant approvals. But you know what? The time it takes to get the money is about the same. Maybe even a little longer. You get approved instantly so you can keep trading, but you got to wait. It's going to take you probably on the, it'll feel like a couple of weeks have gone by before you get your money. But if you on the legacy, it was the other way around. It would take 2, 3, 4 days to get approved, and then it would take 7 to 10 business days from that point. Hey, you need me? No. Okay. I think Mommy's in the shower. All right. Keep the door closed, because although she clawed her way in, close that door for me, though. Thank you. GB, what up? A philanthropist. Vincenzo. Coach Singh. J Min. RSK is your normal password? No, that's the pass key. I don't know. I use it. I have to use this to pull the money out. You have to know there's a password that you create in the very beginning. It's a special password specifically for withdrawals to confirm the withdrawal. You got to save that shit somewhere. Oh, it must be something new. See, I didn't have to do any of that. Mike, I didn't have to do any of that shit, bro. I don't know why. I have 2 accounts. In one of them, I didn't. In the other one, I haven't tried yet. I have a personal account and a business account. Dimitri, Alan Rose, what up? Top Step just paid you in less than 30 seconds? No doubt. Good shit, bro. Top Step can still suck a dick. But good shit. Yeah, when you withdraw, you have to put that password in. All right, here we go. Did we get to 51 likes? Oh, we have 51 likes. I got to tell you guys what happened with fucking Trade Day. Oh, we're at 61. All right, guys. I'll tell you. But now we got to wait because this shit's about to fucking do something here. Oh! Oh! $707. That's the 707. Oh, man. $30-point candle, though, chat. 30 points. Any news? Explosion sound in city caused by air defense response. Iran's Ironer citing Bushehr official. U.S. was not conducting new strikes on Iran as of an hour ago. Military site on outskirts of Bushehr hit by U.S.-Israeli projectile. No explosions reported in areas near the Strait of Hormuz. U.S. Commerce Secretary Lutnick interview on Fox Business ends. No explosions have been reported in Bandar Abbas, Qasem, Sirak, or Jask. Iranian state TV denies reports of explosions. U.S. Commerce Secretary Butlick. Trump knows price of oil will stay low. Fed statement on task force. Fed statement other task force chiefs include U.S. economists Sargent and Getty. So says venture capitalist Anderson. Blah, 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 hoobly ha. Anyway. Marcin. I'm fucking green everywhere, bro. Boom. Boom. everywhere I traded. I did it, and I did it all for the stream. Depending on which one you were on, I literally traded all these accounts while streaming. Chat, nice fucking bounce. Nice fucking bounce. I don't know what it wants to do though. We need people confirming a fucking bunch of bombs. We're dropping bombs. A resurgence of technology companies fuel the Wall Street rebound, with stocks also rising as oil prices stabilize after rising the most since May, amid renewed tensions between the U.S. and Iran. Where is oil? Where the fuck is oil today? Crude? Oh, yeah, it's pumping. Not. Where's gold at? Gold bounced off the 786, it looks like. If I draw a fucking Fibonacci retracement from the high of day to this last low right here, I'll show you where I'm drawing it. Right fucking here. This fucking low right here. You got the 786. We just fucking bounced, I don't know, 30, 40 ticks. I think we're going to go lower, though, chat. I don't know why. I just have this fucking feeling, but I could be wrong. Again with this fucking dog. Lotus, do I think Trump? I don't know. He's making a fuck ton of money. He's showing Nancy Pelosi how it's done. He said, hold my fucking beer. He said, hold my beer. You want a giveaway on the 13th of June? Can I still claim that? I don't even remember what it was. I got to look. But yeah. I'll look later. I can't look now. What the fuck is going on with this fucking shit here? 54-minute candle should be interesting. I don't trust this. I don't know. I want to move this down more. I want to move this down here. I want to come down here. I just don't know if it has it in the tank. Where's the VWAP? Is this the right fucking VWAP? That is the VWAP. All right. You know what? I just don't want to. Do I want to do it with the Take Profit Trader account? Right here is where I would put an order if it wasn't a Take Profit Trader account to go long. A long order. Let's see if it comes down there and it bounces. It might come down here. But there's where my order would be, which is about the 786. Oh, it didn't get there. It did not get there, chat. Before I had my fib here. Oh, it went down to the 707. 863.75. It went down to the 707 and bounced. 20, 30 points. Carlos, you bought 10. I didn't know you could still buy them. I guess that Apex 250K sale is still going. With the best fucking code 0 day J chat. Nice fucking bounce. Nice bounce. 35, 38 points. Bullhead Mike, it's never going to end, bro. As long as Israel has something to do with it, it's never going to end. Never. Never will it ever. Israel's pulling the strings. Never. Netanyahu went to Trump and said, look at me. Look at me. I am the captain. But he's already known that. He's known that. Everybody knows. Everybody knows who's in charge. Unless they just want it to appear that way. Because everything is fucking bullshit, too. What a fucking bounce. Listen, I'm perfect. Oh, I got to tell you guys what happened with Trade Day. I get an email this morning, and I'm like, what the fuck? Watch this, chat. Watch this, chat. What? Did I not post it? I thought I posted it. Huh? I didn't post it. Hold on. Hold up. Hold up. I thought I fucking posted it, chat. I'm going to fucking grab it right now. I was like, what the fuck? That's what I said. I was like, the fuck? I saw it while I was streaming. Let's go. What's going on here? What a fucking bounce. 50, almost 60 points. Look. Action required. Funded account onboarding. As outlined in our FAQs, traders have 30 days to complete the funded SIM onboarding process. Failure to complete this onboard within this time frame may result in the funded account offer being withdrawn. We notice that you are still active on our platform. However, you have not completed your funded SIM onboarding process. As it has now been over 45 days since you passed your evaluation, we wanted to check in and ask if there's a reason you have not completed the onboarding. If you experience any issues during onboarding and decided not to proceed, please let us know the reason. As it has now been over 45 days since you passed your evaluation. Failure to provide an extra complete process will result in your funded SIM offer being withdrawn. I had no fucking idea, but I saw the account in there. What happened was, like a month ago or a month and a half ago or 2 months ago, when I passed evals, I had like 2 fucking phantom accounts get added to the account. And then I don't know what the fuck they were, but there were 3 in there. I didn't know that one of them was like an actual past eval that I could activate. The other 2, they were just in there. It was like a fucking glitch. I got them removed like a month ago because what was happening was I couldn't have X amount of, you can't have more than 6 active subscriptions or 6 active accounts. And they were counting as accounts, even though I couldn't do anything with them. So I had them removed, and then they didn't remove the 3rd one, even though I showed them. It turns out that the 3rd one that was still sitting in there was a fucking past eval that I haven't activated. So guess what, chat? I got a funded fucking Tradeday account. Hey! Hey! There it is right there. Tradeday funded, motherfucker. And it's a legacy account. I'm pretty sure this is an end-of-day account, but we're going to find out. You see, guys? So that was the big mysterious email from Tradeday. Thanks for smashing the like button to find out, chat. What are we doing here? 7:07. 1 o'clock. I need more fucking coffee. Anyway, that was the big news. Chat. Casa list. Yeah, let's get a day 1 payout right now. It is active. I was live. Tory Trades Tail Lines. Yeah, I was live with them in fucking November, bro. That was like, it's like almost a year ago. Alley Cat. Yeah, Mike, exactly, bro. Yeah, Dimitri, I bet they know some things. I bet fucking Baron or fucking Eric or fucking Don Jr. hits them up, Dimitri. Have I tried Legends? No. TTA, I have not. War. Huh. What is it good for? Absolutely nothing. JP, yeah, it's always good news when they're like, oh, we want to make sure you activate your funded account. At least they reached out. Yassine, what up? At least they reached out, right? That was cool of them to reach out. Alan Rose, yup. What time do they make you close? Trade day makes you close at 4:50. 4:50, you better be out of your trade before 4:50 hits. The last 4 months? The last 4 months has been a struggle, but I'm out of it. It took me, I went 6 weeks without getting a payout after fucking averaging 40K a month for 3 months in a row. Well, no, it wasn't right after. I did 13,100 and change in March, but I was like a break even. I got payouts every month. I still have the month. It's been what, over 2 years now. Exactly 2 years. Actually 2 years and 1 month. It's been 25. I'm on my 25th month in a row getting a payout. Every fucking month I haven't missed. But I hit a little fucking wall and I got out of it. We're good now. Yeah, I got plenty of time, Costello. I just don't know if I'm going to try it and push it. I really want to trade these what a fucking bounce. 96 to fucking, damn, 66 points. I would have got me a fucking payout for sure. Yeah, I'm profitable. I pushed it. I paid off not only did I pay off my entire tuition, I paid off my Apex tuition too. So I'm a profitable trader since I started my prop firm journey. I'm profitable by a decent amount. And I'm profitable by a motherfucker this year, by a lot. So I'm just looking to fucking keep pushing forward and growing and getting better. Every day in every way, right, guys? We get better. Every day in every way, I'm getting better and better. Stephen Cox, God damn it. But you're here now, so thank you, bro. I need more fucking coffee. I do want to trade some more. Not even a question. Oh, I didn't want to close that tab. So we're just waiting now. That was a nice little cuck zone. I mean, a nice little pop there. This thing gonna curl up higher. Right there. That's pushing it though, because this is the high of day. I don't know. I'm scared. I'm scared, chat. I don't need to trade these accounts today. I don't need to. I'm fucking green everywhere else I traded. But I'll see. I still fuck with gold here and there. We shall see what I do here. I'm not sure. Look at that 786 bounce. We wicked below it a little bit by what? 10 ticks? 7 ticks? 83. 55 tick fucking bounce off the 786, ran into issues here, and this cuck became resistance. So this is like probably a 618. If I draw a fib here, I would venture to say that this is a 618. What did I say, guys? What did I say? Where's the fucking view up? Way down here. 41.48. The range on gold today is 85 points. Anyway. 786 fast approaching, chat. I'm just scared it's going to keep pushing higher. I don't know. So what we'll do is we'll fuck around in here with this eval. All right, chat. Thanks, chat. Didn't quite get there yet. Oh. That's not what I wanted to do. It just missed hitting it. Is it going to reject from here? Well, seems like it. Not yet, though. I mean, it's still got a ways to go. I might be it, though. I don't know. You know what I'm saying, chat? I think I need more fucking coffee, though. Carbo Night, what up? Jack Boom, exactly, bro. I mean, I don't want to say I'm not feeling it, but I'm not feeling what I'm seeing for my fucking Take Profit Trader Pros. This was nice. I had an order lower. It was a sell order. I canceled that. Never mind. I was looking here. I like this maybe. But I didn't. I was a little nervous because you just never fucking know, especially with the news about shit happening. Netanyahu to Trump raised Turkey's Erdogan statements as well as the need to establish security zones along Israel's borders. What the fuck does that have to do with us? Establish your own fucking borders. Establish your own fucking security zones. Trump updated Israel's prime minister on U.S. actions in the Gulf. He was talking to his daddy, his boss, his confidant. Let's see what happens here. Umar, what up? Ree. You missed it. Rewind. You missed. You had to be here, bro. You had to be here. Rewind like 10, 15 minutes. It's in the Discord too. Basically, I'm not saying. Oh, you fuck. Come on. 5 ticks away. 5 fucking ticks. You fucking piece of shit. Five fucking ticks. Something just happened. Something just fucking happened. Iranian Navy site in Kornes was attacked by enemy. Yeah, see? Just fucking missed. Uh-oh. Now I'm going to wish I didn't get filled. You know, Alan Rose, it's funny that you say that the market wants 30,025, because I had, earlier in the day, I had an order around there to go short because I drew out a fib, and the 786 from this high on last Thursday from this low is at basically 30,019. So I had my order a little bit higher, somewhere along those lines. Where was it? Let me see if I can find it. It was in my Bullinox accounts, I think. Let's see if I can find that shit, yo. There, look. 30,020, look. That was hours ago. That was the first order I put in, actually. Never quite got there. Oh, and I did this too, again. 30,024.75. Look. Hey, I like that. We're on the same page with that, chat. You like that, Alan? 30,024.75 and 30,020. I canceled. I set this order, canceled. Set this. Oh, this was a take profit, I think. Was it? No, how was that even possible? It was the first order I put in. But then I had this order too. Pretty cool. Funny you should mention it. Are you fucking kidding me? Like, I had my order right here. Probably. Linnell, what's up? I wouldn't be surprised. I need more fucking coffee though, for reals. This is gonna push higher. Let's go get some more fucking coffee, though. Remember, I had my order at 72.25. Let's see if it gets tagged and then drops. And then watch me get mad. Clinvale, what up? Rewind 15 minutes. Oh, there it is. There's the fucking order. 72.25. Let's see if I'm going to be rewarded for moving it up higher. It looks like this wants to go up another leg. Oh, shit. Well, there we go. Another order moved or canceled that would have been a fucking, watch, it's going to be a banger. It's going to be a fucking banger. And I moved it and I canceled it on a fucking eval. Like, I should give a fuck. Unfucking believable. Unfucking believable. 72.25. We'll see. We'll see. Anyway. Long story short, Clinvale, it was just that I had a fucking past eval sitting in my account that I didn't activate for 45 days. And they wanted me to fucking get back to them on whether or not I was going to. And I did. I didn't even know. I saw it in there. I knew it was in there. I thought it was this glitch I experienced. But it wasn't. There it is. So I got a funded fucking 50K that I've been sitting on for 45 days. I had no fucking idea that it was actually activatable. If that's even a fucking word. All right. Let's get some coffee, chat, shall we? But that was good news, right? It's always nice when they're like, hey, you got a funded account just waiting for you. I'm so annoyed that I moved that order. This thing's in a fucking dump. A bajillion points. You look. Why did it? Oh my God. I am the king of canceling orders that will be getting filled. Oh my, look at it go. I'm so glad I moved that. I'd have like 13 points right now. streets. Look at that drop. Look at that thing. It went from the order I moved out of the way was at 72.25 and it dropped 15 points. I would have loved 15 points. Interesting. Notice how it just bounced right off this right here.
Oh, are you just like showing me?
You're getting shown.
Oh boy, I look crazy right now.
You look crazy. What are you talking about?
Huh?
You just took a shower. You look fresh and clean. I'm so annoyed about that. Where was my order? No, I think my order on the take profit traders were a little higher up. Yeah, 85, 985. So I wouldn't have, I didn't miss out on anything with them. Unbelievable, guys. This is going to keep coming down.
Huh? It's an experience. Yeah.
Let's see here.
Yeah. If you don't like it, just go home. Right.
I don't think it's going to come down this far. Unless we find out that there's more bombings happening. Then maybe. But think about it. If it comes all the way down here, you know how annoyed I'm going to be?
Huh?
Because that would have been enough to get my $900 day in, to make $900 to make them holla. We're moving in slow motion now, though. We need Trump to send out a tweet saying, the Islamic Republic of Japan again. Maybe that'll get the market to wake up. I'm so glad I canceled that order, though. I didn't cancel it. I moved it. I moved it up higher, but I'm so glad now. So fucking glad. Trading Star, what up? What was the activation fee on trade day? Nothing. There is no activation fee. Why? Because I didn't trust this. It looked like it wanted to go up another leg. The 786 doesn't always, you're not always going to get the 786 at the 786. There's plenty of time. How many times have you seen it wick below by, 5 points, 10 points, 20 points or above, depending on which way we're going? See, Sharice, I wanted to short up. I still want to short, but I had an order right here at 72.25. And I moved it up. I moved that order up here. And it went down 18 points. But I don't know. I did win the only trade I took for the stream, though. $455 to make him holla. One trade. Where was it? Where did I hold on, let's see. History. 1236. Right here. So I got in long right around here at a 786. What was the order? Oh, what? $9.15? What did I? Yeah, it was right around here. What was this? Oh, Phil. 9.15 and 9.38. So it was like right here. Right here. To get $455 in both of these accounts. That's what I did earlier. And then that was like 50 minutes ago. And then I locked myself out like a big boy. You see that? Locked. Can't fucking fuck that up. And I'm at $3,173 in the leader and $3,240 in the follower on day 7. I'm 7 days in on those bull and oxes. Look at this shit drop. Fuck. You guys are so fucking annoying. Hey, Carbonite, yeah. The Japan thing was AI? Who knows? Maybe it was. Raphael, what up? Passed your first trade iffy eval today? Nice job. 1 for 1. Great fucking job. Oh, there it goes lower. There it fucking goes lower, of course. There it fucking goes. Yeah. 51, 21 points. 21, 21, 21. Yeah. I locked myself out of that trade, that bull and ox shit. I locked myself out of Lucid when I fucking clinched the payout, and day 3 on these two. Payout on this one, number 68, and day 3 on these two. Locked myself the fuck out. That was earlier. I was streaming earlier. I streamed during New York, chat. We did it for the stream. I did all of my trading on stream today. Look at this shit go, you fucking piece of shit. I might get fucking filled down here. Kobe went 4 for 4 this week on a fresh funded. You needed one more day tomorrow. You need a $750 day tomorrow for a $1,200 payout. Are you going to push for $750? Or are you going to like maybe get it over the next 2 or 3 days? You know what I mean? Simplistic, what up? I'm doing good. How about yourself? See, Charisse, that's good. That's good. What if you were starting to get annoyed and then you fucking started making bad decisions? You saved yourself. Yeah, see, guys? But Colby, I hope you get it, bro, one way or the other. Look at that shit go. I'm so glad I moved my order up. So fucking glad it went down fucking almost 30 points. So fucking glad. Bowser, what up? Fuck yeah, bro. Savvy, what's up? Take the money. Oh, the fifth $250 day is all you need for a $500 payout? Yeah. I know what you mean. Sounds like it's a 150K, huh? Is it Lucid? Take the money. Savvy, I get it. Take the money so you get money, which is great. You need that, right? Look at this shit go. I was fucking right, and God, it literally rejected right off the 786 from before. We'll see what happens here. I moved my order up 5 fucking points, and it would have gotten filled. And it's down. We're down fucking 30-something points. Oh, it's a 50K top one elite access. Okay. Got you, bro. Nice fucking drop. Am I going to regret getting filled here? I'm so glad I fucking got out and missed. I moved my order and missed 35 fucking points. Nice fucking snipe. That's how you fucking snipe, son. Look at that 786 bounce with this being the low. Can we keep going though? I am up against it. I am up against trailing drawdown. Intraday trailing. And then you had the low of the fucking VWAP band right there. Keep pushing. Keep fucking pushing. Hey, keep fucking going. I don't want to fucking give back a lot of my drawdown. Oh, you fucking piece of shit. I guess I'm going to get taken out. Fuck me. Watch the next candle go up 100 points. Well, whatever. I got $109. I had 83 more. But whatever. No problem, Savvy. Great job. Even if it's just $500, it's important. It's important to take the money. It's important. It's a psychological thing. Is it retesting here or is it going to push lower? I guess it wasn't a bad exit. How much lower will it push? Can it come down here? Can it come down another 10 points for me? Can we drop another 10 points or is it going to fucking pump here? Oh, I just wanted to fucking be a little cuck. Now it's going to bounce 150 points. Of course. Watch it go higher now. I don't know. Michael Gianos, what up? In case you're just tuning in, I'm fucking green everywhere. And I locked in a fucking payout with Lucid. Woo! Finally, almost, literally like next week would have been 4 months since I got my last payout with Lucid. Isn't that crazy? And my drought's even longer with Tradeday. Looking to change that soon. These are on day 3. This is on day 5. Locked and loaded. I didn't touch my take profit traded, but this is a nice fucking drop, man. 36 points. 37 points. Maybe this comes down another 10 fucking points and I get filled. Another sniper entry. I don't know. This might fucking pop here. Do I want to put an order here in case it does? Romeo. Rick. Yeah, bro. Rick, I'm with you, bro. Oh, see, what did I say, guys? What did I fucking say? I don't know. I think it's going to push higher now. I'm going to get sucked in. I'm getting sucked in. I'm getting sucked in here. Uh-oh. Almost got sucked in. Oh, man. I hope it goes down enough to fucking fill me here. But I don't know. I'm going to regret this. We'll see. Maybe this is the spot where we bounce. It retested the 786 with this being the low. But if I expand that and this is the low, we're at this. This order's at the 618. So, and I could see this going down lower. I don't fucking know. This is a FOMO entry. It's an eval though. No funded accounts will be harmed in this trade. Yeah, Rick. If you have an itch to scratch, Rick, if you have an itch to scratch, grab a new account. You know what I'm saying, bro? Don't touch the account that was doing great. Grab a new one. Something cheap, right? Just to scratch the itch. Or do like Lanto and Tori do, paper trade. And then say it's a real fucking trade. Say you executed on mobile. TJP. So what happened? You got there, and then instead of waiting for another setup, you tried to just fucking push it over right then and there, even if it wasn't there for you? Because I've been there. What up, Kristen? I've been there. I've been there so many fucking times. I've done it so many fucking times. Am I able to sell my Tradeday legacy somehow? I got a couple of active subscriptions still with those. Dimitri. I trade. Oh, let's fucking go. Get the fuck up there. Hey, it's probably going to come around here. It's going to come to like 57 for sure. Maybe it might run into some trouble here. Guys, glad I re-entered. I'm glad I re-entered. The market said, enter me. The market was like, enter me now, please. TJP, it was, I get it, bro. I mean, yes, it does feel like a waste of time, but the only way it'll be a waste of time if you don't fucking learn from it, right? If you don't learn from it, it's a total waste of time. It's okay to lose as long as you don't lose the lesson, right? You got banned on Trade Iffy chat when Lanta was on for asking if hedging. It's fucking great, bro. Tony. Hey, it was just a practice account. Gadasa, what up? You hope they lose everything. Tony Gold. Chevy Flames. Hey, it's all just part of the fun. Come on, keep pushing. Don't be a cuck over here. Don't be a cuck. You got more in the tank. You got more in the tank, Billy, Bobby, Joey. No! Billy, Bobby, Joey, Tommy, Billy, Joey, Tommy, Joey. Fuck. Fuck. What did I have here? Another $100. I was up like 250. Nathaniel, what up? Yeah, of course, bro. I'm always fucking, yeah. What else is new? Forex Elite. Thank you, man. I appreciate it, bro. I hope you do well with them. And I'm sure you will, because 0 Day J, the best code in the fucking world, has the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, and the fastest payout rate, according to the Profitable Streets. It works at Apex for 90% off. Also, you get the 1776 accounts. I think you can still buy the 250K legacies. It works at Take Profit Trader for 40% off with no activation fee. It works at Tradeday for 50% off with no activation fee. It works at Lucid for 40% off pro accounts, unlimited use, unlimited to July 24th, or 30% off Flex and the straight to fundeds. It works at fucking My funded futures for 50% off Bob the Builder accounts, 20% off fucking Rapids. What else? What am I missing? Lucid, Bullinox, J89 gets you 89% off right now. I got to ask them to change it to 0-day J, but I'm waiting until tomorrow to see if they extend it. Because they extended all the fucking time and then it stops working when they extend it. 75% off. Bullinox option 2, which is the end of day accounts, is J75. Can this fucking push? Fuck this fucking up of the VWAP band. Oh, wait. Maybe it will. That makes sense. It's going to retest it right here, guys. Retest it. Come on. Yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot. Dimitri. What's the update on my Apex Live account? I'm just waiting for the next step. I'm really close to getting it, though. I signed the power of attorney with NinjaTrader. Usually when you do that, the next thing to do is get your account. Oh, you fuck. I was actually worried this was going to happen. I was worried about this fucking level, you fucking piece of shit. I just lost $140 a fucking drawdown. Piece of shit. This payout I trade. This shit is so fucking annoying. Yeah, Rick. Where's the button, Carbonite? Rick, I blew an account yesterday. You saw what I was doing. But I've been a lot better this week. Actually, I only blew one account this week, I think. No, that would be true. One account in the last 3 days. I blew one account in the last 3 fucking days, chat. And all my fundeds are growing. Lot to fucking pay out. I'm 3 days away with Bullinox. I'm 600 plus away from the buffer on Take Profit Trader. Fuck, this is what I was worried about. You fucking piece of shit. It went up fucking, it's only 8 points, but this is intraday trailing. This evaluation is intraday trailing. You feel like you need to quit. Well, that's not a good feeling. Jojo80, what up? You know, when you feel like that, Rick, I know it's hard to hear and it might be hard to believe. When you're feeling like that, you're closing in on a breakthrough, like a major fucking breakthrough. I'm telling you. But I get it. This shit costs money. So I get it. But when you're feeling like that and you feel like you want to give up, you're that fucking close to a breakthrough, a major fucking breakthrough. Miss Goody knows. Do I need Rhythmic to trade? Well, Nathaniel, it's just trading Trade Ninja or Ninja Trader. I mean, Ninja Trader is the company that owns Tradeday. I'll be trading on Tradeday. If not, if I do have to trade with Rhythmic, which I doubt I'll have to, I'll just use Trading Things, guys, because it's free for now. Where am I? What the fuck? That shit came back up over here, and then what the fuck happened? We got some fucking new shit here. Twan on. Alpha Futures rug pulling. I know what you're talking about. Warrior. Oh, fuck me, man. This is what I was worried about. It couldn't just fucking keep going here. This is going to drop. This is going to come down here. Fucking piece of shit. It's basically retesting the 786 again, but it's gonna drop lower. I just have a feeling. I should have fucking locked in some gains up here somewhere, but I thought it was gonna keep pushing. I don't know. I was wrong. Rick, Trading Star. Yeah, I mean, something's got to change. You know the saying, nothing changes if nothing changes, right? Twan on, you talking about that girl Rebecca, right? She didn't get completely fucked. If she picks option 2, she'll get $3,400 a month every month for a year, as long as she doesn't fuck up the live accounts. It's a pretty good fucking offer. I'll take it. If she doesn't want it, I'll take it. 360. Yup, exactly. Warrior, yeah, life is hard. No one said it was going to be easy. On top of dealing with the stress of trading, you got to deal with the stress of fucking life too. Rick, you know what I'm saying, bro? I fucking knew it. I fucking knew it. Just know that we're down 40 points from where I fucking would have gotten filled if I didn't move my fucking order. My order was at 72.25. We're down 40 fucking points from there. Amazing. Oh, Twan on. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck happened with that. A lot of these, Twan on, bro. A lot of these fucking firms with their in-house custom fucking trading platforms run into the same issue. But yeah, a bunch of people took advantage of some really good offer, and then they all got fucked somehow. I haven't gotten an account with them yet. You know, I was thinking about it too. I'm holding out. But if it's not them, it's going to be someone else. This shit like this happens all the time. When it starts feeling too stressful, I open up an energy drink. Exactly, bro. That's what you got to do, guys. Just drink energy drinks. Now the support's not replying or saying the same thing as funding ticks before they went completely broke. So I feel like they've been around, though. Practice patience. Oh, what the fuck was that? What just happened? That's going to go. We're going to go lower because of that. We're going to go lower now. Well, Rick, I can tell you one thing. We talk about it all the time. If you keep saying, I just can't find consistency, what do you think you're going to keep getting? Inconsistency. It's a trap to get me to DCA. Muggs, what up, man? Yeah. It's interesting what's going on over there. The more you look at Tory trades, the more she reminds you of a toad, especially without makeup and lashes. Kellyanne was warning about Alpha the other weekend too. There's so many prop firms that are fucking, and they're a little delayed on their payouts too, aren't they? Aren't they delayed on payouts? Legends was delayed on payouts. This was the sign that it was going to push lower. This fucking bullshit candle or wick. I'm running out of fucking time too. Fuck. I was up here. What's fucked up is 40 fucking points right there. Hey, Jan, what up? Yeah, people were waiting on payouts from Alpha too, I think. I saw it in my Discord, in the best community on these prop firm streets. Now, at this point, I just want to get out of the trade fucking green. So I could say I'm fucking green everywhere. Not green in the trade. I mean, yeah, I would take that too, but a green in general. Tradeday, they just told me that I had a fucking past eval. that I never activated. It was over 45 days. And they wanted to know what I was going to do. I didn't realize that it was activatable. I thought it was like a glitch. Yeah, Twan on. It might be a setting in Tradeday, but yeah, I get it, bro. Like they leave it there like that on purpose. They do that on purpose. So people do breach. GCTA, what up? Oh, yeah, I activated it, though. Yeah, hell yeah. I just did today. I didn't realize it. It's right here. This is it right here. Come on, keep pushing. I'm running out of time. I need to get out of this trade so the account's green, but I don't trust exiting right here. I don't trust the exit. Keep pushing, please. Please. What's the spread? Oh, the spread is 3 ticks. 3 to 4 ticks. Oh, man. It's going to go down lower. Fuck me. Maybe not. Push. I got 2 minutes left. I don't like that I lost this drawdown. That means I was up. You know, I don't like that. I don't like that I lost the drawdown. That's annoying. It's fucking annoying. Come on, push. I literally have 1 minute after this on the trade day because trade day's cut off. You need to be out of the trade at 4:50 p.m. Eastern or 1:50 specific time. Fuck. Boy, I rejected off of this shit. Come on. Please. I could get out now and say I'm fucking green everywhere, but you know me. I'm a fucking degenerate. I'm going to get fucked for it. Watch me get fucked. Watch me get fucked out of my green everywhere. I knew it. I fucking knew it. I had a chance. Oh. No. Come on, please. You know what's going to happen? Right after the cutoff, it's going to fucking pop. I know it. Oh. No matter what, I'm fucking green. Green everywhere there if I get taken out there. Don't fucking take me out there, though. Come on. Push higher. No, it's going to take me out. You fucking piece of shit. Fuck. I'm fucking green everywhere. That sucked, though. I had like $200 more. See, I had 864. Don't worry. Now it's going to pump. Now it's going to fucking pump. Maybe not. Maybe not. But I'm fucking green everywhere. I'm fucking green everywhere I traded. Look, hey, fucking green. Hey, fucking green. Hey, fucking green. All right. Let's see if there's anything we can do in the next 5 minutes with these. Because I'm a fucking degenerate. Wrong fucking way, chat. Wrong. Oh, I have an order up here? Fuck. Did I just do that? I don't even fucking remember. All right. All right. Right here. Right here. Right here. Right here. What's good, Dr. Fauci? You know, if I ever seen that guy walking on the street, I would probably check him into a fucking wall. They're running scripts. They got too much volume. Yeah, Iona. Yeah, nice, pleasant surprise. We love pleasant surprises. What are people saying about this fucking? Everybody wants a Lucid account. Amazing. So here's how it's going to go. The first account I give away with Lucid, you're going to get a code. If you win, if more than one person wins, if 2 people win, you'll both get a code on the first one. The next one, you're going to have to grab an account because I'm not using the codes I have. I'm using, well, whatever. I'll just make up for it another time. I'll just keep, if it's a Lucid account, if someone wants a Lucid account, I'm just going to use the code. I'll use whatever codes I have. I don't want to confuse anyone. Rick, 3 accounts is all you need, bro. You don't even need 3. You need 1. Right now, 1 account is all you need. But you have 3, so fuck with them. Take your time. Don't, if you're having a good day, call it a day. Call it a day. Yeah, Isaac, yeah. Team Massive, yeah, Lucid Flex. Rug pull trading. Michael Gianos, let me know if you need somebody to help you push it. I want to be like so many other affiliates and just jump on any old prop firm, even when they're brand new. Who gives a fuck if anybody gets fucked over? Who gives a fuck? D-Trades. Help me help you. Help me help you. Oh, by the way, if you guys are not yet in the best fucking community on these prop firm streets, all right, this is over. I guess, hey, look, you see, guys, I'm not fucking sweating that I didn't get to trade this account. I didn't get to trade them. That's okay. Look, my balance is still $1,368 times 5, and I have $1,892 of drawdown across each of the accounts. We're fine. We're good. I locked in a payout on Lucid. I grew these accounts some more. Got another day in. I'm 3 days in with those. I got my fucking my Bullinoxes up $455 in each account, the leader and the follower. They're both a good amount, $600 or $700 over the fucking buffer. So now I'm not intraday trailing anymore. I'm static with my trailing drawdown. I just need 3 more days. How hard can it be? We just keep fucking growing. It's okay. I didn't get to trade these. I did get to grow my fucking trade day eval by $28, even though it was up $200 more, $230 more, but whatever. Missed out on this short. Look at this short. It went down 40 fucking something points, but whatever. It's fine. Everything's fine, guys. Everything's fine. The only thing I don't like is that this drawdown is, but this is a good enough amount of drawdown. Whatever. It's fine. Everything's fine. Here's a link for the Discord, by the way. If you do win and if you've never hung out in the Discord before, here's the link. If you want to hang out with the best fucking community. Anyway, give me a number between 1 and 97. Right now. One number, one time. Right now. This shit's pumping now. Watch it go up 1,000,000 points. A 1,000,000 points. We're going to fucking 40,000 right now, guys. Right now, 40,000 points. We're going to 40K. $40K. 40K incoming. Slick Rick, the ruler. I see you change your little icon. I love it. Or was it always like that? One number, one time, guys. Whoa! Oh, there's the 618. $921. It wouldn't have hit it. There it is. Fuck, I lost my fucking place. You got motherfuckers putting in 100 numbers. All right, cool. I got shit to do, so we're gonna do it now. I don't even need to get all the screenshots. Three, two, one. Good luck. Number one. Who got one? Who got one? Coach Singh, K-Sun. Anybody else? Let me see if you guys, I'm pretty sure you guys only put one number and you guys know better. You guys know better, so we're going to find out, though. I got to double check. To maintain the integrity of the giveaway. I got to do it for the stream. But I'm pretty sure congratulations are in order. I just have to find the numbers. Why can't I? Oh, there's K-Sun. Yep. K-Sun. Motherfucker. And I know Coach Singh knows better, too. Fucking laptop's running like ass. All right, so here's what you guys need to do. I have codes for you. Just hit me up in the Discord, send me a DM, slide into my DMs, and I will give you a code for a 50K Lucid Flex. What you have to do is go like you're going to buy a 50K Lucid Flex, and when you're on the checkout page, when you normally would put in the best fucking code 0Day J, right? You're just going to take this code I give you and put it there, and it'll go to $0, all right? Congratulations, guys. Hit me up. Slide into my DMs. I might not be able to get to you until later, but I will get to you. I have them. I'll send them to you. Maybe I'll send them to you now. I don't know. I got to do something right after this. So with that said, smash the like button. Congratulations, guys. Thank you for hanging out. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Subscribe to the channel. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Use the best code 0DayJ at Apex. Take profit trade at Tradeday, Lucid, Bolonox, buy fund the futures. If you want to grab some new accounts and you want to support the channel. Thanks again to It's a Trap for hitting the super chat again. I appreciate the support. And thank you guys for coming to hang out. All right, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll be on for Power Hour tomorrow. All right? 3 to 5 p.m. Maybe earlier, too. Maybe during New York as well. We'll see. It depends on if I have time. All right? I'll talk to you soon. Enjoy the rest.